So beautiful. So beautiful, we had to do it again. Yeah, So beautiful. So beautiful, we had to do it again. Substantial, Sight Star, SOS, we gon' do it right, y'all. Mark D, drop the beat like, what up? Let's go, come on. Just another day in the life, just another word in the mic, just another bar on the beat, just another grind in the street. Come on, take a ride with me, move along now. Just another moment in time, just another flow in the rhyme, just another song I wrote, just another kind of dope. Come on, get in line, let's go, move along.
Let the piano and the sample penetrate through your temple and stimulate your brain like a sweet innuendo. Even in swift mode, I handle my trip load. Intro to intro, I get hold and never let go. It's my destiny to be who I am. Try to make better today than what I seen in the past. And since whatever you believe to be true, you attract, I sleep just so I could dream and make it true on my path. Cause knowing is half the battle, the other half is ammo. But put your guns away, I've got a stronger weapon that never runs out of ammunition, so I'm ready for war. It's been said before, but I'm saying it once more. My thoughts are heavy, so of course the music is. Trunks rattle will blast knowledge instead of stupid shit. Remembering the truth is said, freedom, so we shoot for it, dead. We do it.